What if you could edit entire videos just by describing what you want? In this video, we'll install Ditto GGUF, the first open-source model for instruction-based video editing, fully optimized for low VRAM GPUs. Let's review what's MIG. Now we will go to ComfyUI's GitHub, then download the latest release. Depending on which GPU you use, download that version. After downloading, unzip to the folder. After successfully unzipping, we will install an extension for ComfyUI called ComfyUI Manager for easier use. Then we open CMD and CD into the custom node folder. Then clone the extension. Then we will run ComfyUI. And we have completed the installation of ComfyUI. First, we will download the necessary models. I have left the model link in the comment section. You can access and download. After downloading, we will move the downloaded files to the correct ComfyUI folder. Then we run ComfyUI. We will drop the Ditto workflow file into ComfyUI. Then we will reselect the models in the nodes that match the downloaded models. Then I will upload video input. In the prompt input section, I will use the built-in template prompt. The output is pretty good, even though this is just the GGUF version. I will try another prompt. The results are still good, although the colors are not beautiful. I will use another video input. And that's it. You've installed Ditto and created your first AI-edited video locally. Subscribe to MuseFlow AI for more tutorials.